Hi everybody and welcome again to your channel Management with Merits, Manage to Prosper. The channel targets our people to equip them with the managerial leadership competencies and skills to prosper and achieve their goals. Guys, we're still in the first book in the channel, which is the Management Book 2015, as you can see here, and it's a great American book, very popular all around the world. We have introduced this book before, and we have already done the first two parts of the book. The first part, which was the management in today's workplace, and the second part, which we did last session, that was basics of management in today's workplace. Well, for today, guys, we'll take the first managerial function, which is planning. Well, guys, planning simply means three things. It's the most important managerial function, which makes the basis of all the other managerial functions of organizing, leading, and controlling. So it's the managerial function that involves three things, which are putting plans. Putting plans means where exactly do you want to go? And then putting strategies that help you to achieve or to reach these goals. And then putting the action plans that help to coordinate the activities of everybody in order to go through your strategy and reach your goals. So planning simply, guys, means two things, which are putting goals, which means where do you want to go or what do you want, and putting the plans, which are the methods, the means that help you to reach these goals. That is simply, guys, planning. How do companies usually make planning? The traditional method is when the high management, the strategic management team puts the corporate goals that after that go through the lower managerial levels and get broken down into branch goals that all together lead towards reaching the corporate goals as per the values and the vision and the mission of the corporation. So that is simply, guys, about planning. For sure, there are other methods of putting goals, such as management by objectives and the balanced scorecard. You can have a look at them at the attached PDF with this video. Make sure to download it when you watch this video. The other section or the other chapter of this part is about entrepreneurship. Well, guys, about entrepreneurship, we'll take it in details when we take the second book of the channel, which is entrepreneurship, successfully launching new ventures. And there's another chapter which is about strategic management. We'll take it also in details when we discuss the strategic management book, and it is one of the books that will be discussed in the channel. So, guys, that was about planning, my friends. The first and the most important managerial function. Watch us next Thursday, where we will tackle the second managerial function, which is organizing. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe to our channel on YouTube and activate the notifications bell. Participate with us and share our channel via all electronic means in YouTube, in Facebook, in our website, and our email and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. See you next Thursday, and goodbye.